Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold is trading a opposite U pattern as well as a U pattern. If you look at this particular trend from 2 days, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, as we can see, there the green candles are forming. Okay, 2588 is a strong support. From there we have seen a upside movement started. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, a further downfall we can see. And if you look at this particular trend, whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. So you have to understand that. And a U pattern has formed, which is from 2012 to 2020, and similar U patterns have been formed. And after making breaking out of this zone, there is a new higher and higher form. That is where we have seen the gold has made a new high from $27.90, and after that there is a continuous fall, because whenever it makes a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. Okay, if you look at this particular pattern, a U pattern is forming, making a new high and then a further fall, and now it is trying to go higher. If you look at the day, what we have seen in a weekly on the day wise chart, that there is a continuous upside from 2 days, but overall week was down. Okay, so if the price started going below a level of 2584, we can see a further fall, but if started sustaining above 2727, we can see a further upside, and chances of crossing 2792 we can see, and then further upside. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, if you look at the dollar index, there is a U pattern forming, and chances are high when the price sustained above a level of 108, we can see it can go further upside. I have explained this in my previous video. Okay, that the price if started sustaining above a level of 106.8 and goes above a level of 107, we can see it can touch a level of 108 and can cross this level, because a clear pattern forming towards an upside. Okay, and once the price started falling below this level $108, we can see it can come again towards 107 and then to a level of 106.5. Okay, and if it bounce back happen from that level, we can see an upside, but if it goes below that level, it can touch a level of 106.2. And suppose if the price fall below that particular level, a further downfall towards 105.5 we can see, and from there a level of 105. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 104.5. Okay, but if a bounce back happens, if it goes above a level of 108, we can see it can cross a level of 108 to a level of 108.5 to a level of $109. Okay, and these are the support which I have told you. These are the level 106.5 and 106.2. A bounce back can come, as well as 108. Okay, now the price is trading at a level of 108.103. Okay, so if the price sustain above a level of $108, we can see a level of 108.5 and then to a level of 109. But if it started falling below 106.5, a level of 106.2 to a level of 105.5, and then a further fall towards 104.5. Okay, and I have already explained you, if it goes above that level 107 to a level of 108 and then further high. So if the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going upside downside, we can see the gold price will go up. This is what we can see. Now coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see the price can because as I have already explained you, $25.88 is a strong level. From there it a bounce back has come. So if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of 26.54. But before that, we can see few resistance coming at a level of $26, and once the price move above a level of $26, chance of touching a level of 26.35 will be there. Okay, understand, when the price started sustaining over 26.35, probability of touching 26.54 we can see. Okay, and if the price sustain above that level, a level of 26.61 we can see. Okay, and once the price moving above the level of 26.61, a probability of touching 26.71 we can see. And if the price moving above that particular level, chance of crossing a level of 26.85 is there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further fall, a further upside we can see towards a level of $27.13. But if the price has to sustain above level 2700, chances are very high it can go towards a level of 2713 to a level of 2716 to a level of 2726. This 2716 is already being tested, so chances of crossing this level we can see, and then a further high. So you can trail your SL So, okay, and then you can capture a big movement towards an upside. So chances are very high. As soon as the price sustain of 27.26, it can cross a level of 27.71 also. Okay, keep trailing your SL by $5 to $7 so you can capture a big movement. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of 25.99 to a level of $25.95. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, chance of touching 25.85 will be there. Okay, and if the price moving below that level, chance of touching level of 25.64 we can see. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it will fall further low, and from there a level of around 25.40 also we can see. But the price started falling below a level of 25.64, chances of moving further low we can see. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $25.13. Again I repeat, if the price started falling below that level, we can see level 25.99 to a level of 25.95, and from there a level of 25.85, and then to a level of 25.64. Once the price fall below this level, chance of touching 25.40, and then to a level 25.